All right, so we have this hydraulic oil reservoir cover, for which we have this gasket here, which is all busted to hell. Kind of a foam middle to it, and kind of hard to get. So what I did was I took this mono silicone pro, which is 100% pure silicone, windows and doors, interior exterior, I think. Anyways, I poured it into the canyon, the little groove here. You can see the clear silicone there, and let it set for a day. And I took RTV Black, Ultra Black, and normally I don't put this large or high of an amount, but I needed it to spread out because this Ultra Black is oil resistant, and I needed sort of that coverage around it after I squish it. So I set it down and I'm letting it rest for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put it on to the panel and kind of hand tighten it, and then wait about an hour, and then I'll torque it down. And yeah, hopefully that'll work, because seriously, it was going to take us several weeks to get this piece of junk, and we kind of needed this pretty quick. So you can see how high it is. A close up of the silicone there, and the RTV Black on the top, Ultra Black, mono silicone pro, 100% pure silicone. And this is going into it's going to cover a hydraulic reservoir that doesn't have a lot of pressure in it, actually barely any pressure, and just sort of holds the hydraulic oil until it gets vacuumed up. Perfect. Okay, here we go. See, no leaks. Oil levels right there. See it right there? No leak on my oil pad down there either. On the side. Right down there. That's at the top. That's all good. It worked. A lot of oil in there. Thing's about 2 feet wide, 1.5 feet tall, about 2 feet deep. So it's holding a lot of oil. Doing good so far.